Now, corresponding to question, a three-phase 440 volt, 60 pole, 50 hertz square cage induction motor is running at a slip as this equal to 0.05. Okay. The speed of stator magnetic field with respect to rotor magnetic field. Okay, first one we have focus on speed of stator magnetic field with respect to rotor magnetic field. Okay, first of all determine both magnetic field. Okay, now this is a stator winding. Okay, three-phase supply in rotor, three-phase supply on stator, three-phase supply on stator f this be equal to 50 hertz. If three-phase supply on stator, for simplicity I represent A, B and C. Okay, if three-phase supply on stator, then stator magnetic field are generated with respect to stator winding. So speed of stator field with respect to stator winding that is ns this be equal to 120 f by p. So 120 f this be equal to 50 hertz and that is 6, finally 1000 rpm. It means stator magnetic field with respect to stator winding, that is represent like n1 this be equal to ns 1000 rpm. Clear? Okay, rotation of stator magnetic field like this one, that is n1 and that is s1 pole like represent. Okay, if you sit on the stator winding, you see the stator magnetic field with respect to stator winding rotating like this one, that is clockwise direction stator magnetic field. Now what about rotor? That is rotor, for simplicity represent a winding A. Okay, if you sit on the rotor, okay, clear? Now rotor are also rotating in the direction of stator magnetic field because of this is the principle of induction motor. So according to principle of induction motor, or I have already discussed in fundamental, that's why I am not discuss why rotating NR, why rotor rotating in the direction of stator magnetic field. Okay, now what about NR? You can say that NR is the, you can say that rotor winding speed with respect to stator structure or stator winding written as rotor winding yeah, you can say the speed of rotor, better, speed of rotor winding with respect to stator winding, that is NR this is equal to NS into 1 minus S, so that is 1000 and 1 minus 005, that is 950 rpm. Clear? Rotor is also rotating in the direction of rotating magnetic field of stator, which is speed 950 rpm. Clear? Now relative speed. Relative speed between stator field and rotor winding, or you can say that if you sit on the, that is delta n, Okay, you can another word, if you sit on the rotor, if you sit on the rotor and see the stator magnetic field, see the stator magnetic field, which speed are rotating? This one, look, this one, that is N1 like Ns minus Nr, relative speed between, or you can say that if you sit on the rotor, okay, rotor winding, you can say the speed of rotor winding with respect to, sorry, you can say that speed of stator field with respect to rotor winding, that is Ns minus Nr. Clear? Means if you sit on the rotor and see the stator magnetic field speed, look like Ns minus Nr. Clear? So it is written as this is also written as R speed of stator field with respect to rotor winding, that is delta n. This is also written as Ns minus Nr. Clear? This is also called relative speed. This is also called relative speed. Clear? Now our motto, we are focused on speed, magnetic field with stator rotor magnetic field with respect to rotor winding. Okay, how to determine? I know that relative speed between this one, so induced EMF are generated in rotor winding. So what about frequency? So you written as frequency of induced EMF in rotor winding F2, this is equal to P upon 120 delta n. This is also written as P upon 120 is equal to SNS. So that is SNS. Okay. Now P upon 120 into S, NS is 120 F by P. So finally S into F. F2 is equal to S into F. Okay. Now what about stator field with respect to, what about rotor field with respect to rotor winding? Better to write here. Speed of rotor field with respect to rotor winding suppose that is N. So N is written as 120 F2 by P, and what about F2? 120 S into F by P. So S into 120 F by P, that is also an S. It means that is SNS. So if you sit on the rotor, see rotor magnetic field N2, a rotor magnetic field with respect to rotor winding, which one? SNS. Clear? This is also SNS. Now make linear diagram. Suppose that this one is a stator winding, You see it on the stator winding like this one, A, and this one is a rotor. Rotor rotate in the direction of this one, NR, that is A. Speed of rotor with respect to rotor structure, that is NR. Clear? That is NR. Which is speed? That is 950 RPM. Clear? Now, what about rotor stator magnetic field? Next question is rise. What about stator magnetic field? And that with respect to stator winding, that is N1 corresponding to NS, that is 1000 RPM. Clear? If you see on the stator, if you sit on the stator and see the stator magnetic field with respect to stator winding, that is 1000 RPM. Now, it is clear? Another way. If you sit on rotor, see the stator magnetic field N1, this one, see stator magnetic field look like NS minus NR, this will be equal to 50 RPM, that is 1000 minus 950. Okay, that's why 50 RPM. Clear? Now, what about stator field with respect to stator winding? That is S2. Better to write S2. S2, which is speed? SNS. It is also NS minus NR, means that is 50 RPM. Clear? Okay. Our motto, we are focused on stator magnetic field with respect to rotor winding. Sorry, stator magnetic. We are focused on speed of stator magnetic field with respect to rotor magnetic field. Okay. Now, stator field, stator winding. See the stator magnetic field 1000 RPM. What about speed of rotor magnetic field with respect to stator winding? If you see on this field also, so you can say that speed of better to write black, the speed of rotor field with respect to stator winding means you sit on this one and see the rotor field like this one. So if you see this one S2 like, it means you can suppose that this is also a train. This is also a train. This is the platform. This is a train. Rotor field with respect to rotor winding, you can say that this is 50 RPM. You see a boy running on the train in the direction of rotor field, which is speed 50 RPM. Okay, 50 RPM, and NR is also 950 RPM in the direction of NR. You can say the direction of this one. If you sit on this one, then see the stator field. This is speed plus this is speed. It means this is NR plus NS minus NR. Okay, so finally got NS. It means that is 1000 RPM. Clear? Or you can say that you can also write NR plus SNS. If any doubt, then put 950 plus, that is also 50. So got 1000 RPM. Clear? Means stator field with respect to rotor field with respect to stator winding, that is also 1000 RPM. Clear? And this one is also 1000 with respect to stator. So if you see on stator field, see rotor magnetic field like stationary, because of both are same speed. Clear? So first of all right now, after that we have discussed. First of all right now, after that discuss. Clear? So what about is speed? Relative speed between stator field with respect to rotor field, that is 0. Both are stationary. If you sit on this one, then you see that is also 1000 and this is also 1000. If you sit on this one, then you see the stator field with respect to stator structure, that is 0, because of both speed are same. So you can say that first off right now. Clear? So you can also written as with respect to stator, both stator field as rotor field are running at same speed ns, that is stator field and rotor field are synchronized. Are stationary with respect to each other. Clear? What I am saying clear right now? Now second one, the speed of rotor with respect to stator magnetic field. Speed of rotor. Now that is speed of rotor with respect to stator magnetic field. It means now speed of rotor with respect to stator magnetic field. Okay, means you sit on the stator magnet and see rotor speed, means you sit on the stator magnetic field and see the rotor direction of speed of rotor. This one is 1000 and this one is 950. Okay, so written as nr minus ns. This one is nr 950, that is 1000, that is minus 50 rpm. Clear? Okay, which one is correct? A option is correct option. Clear? If you sit on the stator field, if you sit on speed of rotor winding, or you can say the rotor with respect to stator magnetic field, means you sit on the stator field like this one and see the rotor winding. Okay, rotor winding corresponding to this one. So this one, see, this is speed like nr minus ns minus 50 rpm, means you can say that is opposite direction. That is opposite direction. Clear? Minus 50 rpm means relative speed between stator field and rotor winding, like minus 50 rpm, means it is opposite direction. Relative speed between stator field, and rotor winding, that is minus 50 means opposite direction. Clear? It means if you see, you sit on this one and see rotor winding like this one, rotor winding direction like this one. Okay, first of all make it.